welcome to episode 5 of Hitbox. Today we are going to do a Nerf gun challenge. Whoever loses this challenge will have to give away a full art card or a trainer to the winner of their choice. Let's get started.
And when she's setting that up, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Crap, I'm not You're experiencing technical difficulties? Oh, stop. Bro.
I think she's out of ammo. Will she be able to do it in time? And Ben has won the first round.
Oh, you're still up, buddy.
Wait. And this is just a practice. This doesn't count as anything. This is our reload time.
Your bullets. Alright. Everybody, please note to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Yes.
Come on,
And if you like these kind, make sure to smash that like button on your way out of this video.
I'm gonna restart it. That was just the practice round. This
No.
is the actual round.
She never said that, but like.
This is the actual round. Go.
Oh, I wasn't ready.
No, that's not my fault. You put it in the wrong way.
Stop daily.
Shoot it. Oh my gosh. Do this yourself. Why am I helping you? Shoot it. Pull it back once. Yep. This guy's good. Go. You're good. You got 30 points.
That does not count, guys.
Yes, it does. I want the middle one 50.
You didn't put the middle one.
No, the orange ones are 50.
The orange ones are 20.
Oh my god.
Will she be able to do it? Will she? Oh
I
no!
forgot to rotate.
Time is going out. Will she do it?
Give me one more shot.
Whoa! Stand up close. Oh my gosh, time is running out. And I have won! 25 to 30.
Damn. We're gonna mess with 30 now, right?
This
Reload time.
is our reload time. And when you're watching, make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure also to go to Cardiac's, the best
Store
Store
to
to
get
buy.
merch and cards and really from Pokemon to hockey to football to
To
even racing
basketball.
and boxing. Whatever sport you like,
They got
there.
merch.
They got merch, they got rugs, they got everything you can imagine. And they even have Grady cards for sale.
And we are going for the second round. This kid is good. Oh, 25. 35.
Middle!
85. 95. 105. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Bro, I'm damn big in there.
She is having some technical difficulty with her shots and her gun. It's malfunctioning every time she's trying to shoot.
Oh my god. I would not recommend this weapon.
If you go to Walmart or Target, just make sure to watch our videos to make sure what guns you should use and what guns you should not use.
Oh my god.
And that time, Ben has won.
Alright, that's it.
That's it, everybody.
Best of
Ben has won 2-1 in this challenge.
Ugh.
And now she has to hand over one of her
I'll be right
full
back.
archer
I'm gonna go
trainers.
get the card. I'll get you my best one.
And while she's doing that, you guys already know. Share it to a friend of yours that like these kind of videos. More subscribers, more likes, more videos
Which
like
card
this.
would you like? You can pick. Here, just
Ooh.
pick out of this. Pick out right there.
I'll probably take...
Here. Wait, don't take it real quick. Fans, this is what he has to choose from. All of those. These are all my
And
full arts.
mine, I'm going to take this one. Because this one,
One of my favorites.
I love these trainers. Super cool. Thanks you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.